Do you know one of the most dangerous things about poverty? Sometimes it becomes comfortable. Not because people enjoy struggling, not because people enjoy suffering, but because after facing disappointments, bills, stress, and survival for so long, many people begin to believe that this is how their life is supposed to be. So in this video, I want to share why I believe digital business can become a vehicle for transformation, flexibility, and financial growth for ordinary people like you and me. So let's dive into this video. Deliberate walk out of poverty, the high-ticket digital business option that can change your life.
And it goes a little something like
Before then, let's talk about why many people stay stuck. A lot of people, a lot of hardworking people are exhausted. They are tired of a life of struggle. They wake up early. They work long hours. They take overtime, take up jobs, work in different organizations, sacrifice their time, miss family time, sacrifice time with their children, yet financially they still feel stuck. I understand this deeply because as a mom of 4 who relocated to United States, I experienced firsthand what it feels like to work hard and still feel like you are only surviving. And the truth is this: hard work alone is not always enough anytime. Many people are not lazy. They simply lack access. They lack digital knowledge. They lack mentorship. They believe that is their life. This is who I am. I come from a humble background, but I come to tell you something important today. You can change it. You can change your family background. You can change your financial status. Poverty is not just about lack of money. It is more than that. Poverty is a mindset that tells people to stop dreaming, to stop trying, to stop believing their life can improve. There comes a moment in life where you must make a deliberate decision to walk out of survival mode and embrace a life of abundance. By how? You want to begin building a better future intentionally. Wealth, riches is not coming to meet you where you are sitting down. One of the most powerful options available is learning high-ticket income digital skills and building a digital business. The world has changed. The internet has created opportunities that did not exist years ago. You just have to believe that. But many people are still waiting. They are still waiting for confidence, waiting for the perfect time, waiting for certainty, waiting for riches and for wealth. And sadly, waiting keeps many people financially stuck for years. If you refuse to move, if you refuse to take action, you will continue waiting. And I hope you will take action by this video. There is what to do to change your financial status. Now, I want to explain what high-ticket digital business means. When people hear high tickets, they sometimes think it is complicated. No. You don't have to think like that. In simple terms, a high-ticket digital business simply means promoting or selling valuable digital products. But in this case, you are promoting, you are not selling. You are selling business opportunities, services, education, or programs that solve real problems. Coaching programs, business training, digital courses, consulting services, software solutions, and so on and so forth. We also have branding and marketing education. And the beauty of digital business is this: you do not need a huge office. You can run it from your home. You don't need to be famous to do it. It can be done by anybody from any background. You do not need to know everything before you start. You can start where you are and with what you have. All you need to do is just to learn step by step. Be available to learn step by step. And many people are building income online while working jobs, raising children, while going to school, or building their lives. And you too can do the same. Now let's talk about why digital business matters now. You will agree with me that things have changed. We are now living in a digital generation. Businesses are online. Customers are online. Marketing is online. Opportunities are online. Learning digital skills today is becoming just as important as learning traditional skills. Skills like content creation, social media marketing, branding, storytelling, sales, and communication. And all these can literally create opportunities that can change your life and your financial future. And the good thing about it is this: you do not need to master everything overnight. You can learn as you go. One skill open one door. One decision can change your direction. 1 year of consistency can completely transform your life. That life, the kind of life you always dream about, that vision of yours can become a reality only if you embrace this digital business opportunity. It has transformed my life in so many ways. And you too can testify when you become a partner in this business. The biggest thing holding people back. Honestly, many people are not failing because they cannot do it. They are failing because they keep delaying themselves. Because of fear, overthinking, doubts, comparison, negative opinion, fear of starting small. But every successful person you admire once started as a beginner. They started small. They were once like you. They took action. They did the needful. And today, see where they are. Nobody begins with confidence. Confidence grows through action over time. Sometimes your breakthrough starts the moment you stop saying, "What if it doesn't work?" Instead, why not say, "What if it works?" And start asking, "What if this changes my life?" I was once there. Instead of doubting, instead of living in fear, you want to start taking action. You don't want to keep letting opportunity pass you by. People that have, embraced it and are engaging in it, they don't have two heads. They took action and look at where they are today. You too can do the same thing. You don't want to keep on dreaming about a better life. You don't want to keep on living in poverty. Call it humble background. It is all poverty. When you don't have sufficient to live the kind of life you want to live. You look at your children, you feel sorry for them. They make demands, you are not able to afford it. Why? Because the income is not enough. And now you have digital business opportunities. And you are delaying to embrace it and to engage in it, to change and transform your life. Stop delaying, take action. I don't know how much I can convince you about it. It has done good in our lives. And we are just helping people. He said we must but say the things that we have seen and that we have heard. You want to come into this business and let your life be transformed. If you are watching this and you feel tired of just surviving, if you desire more flexibility, more income opportunities, more freedom with your time, more options, better options for your family, this may be your sign to stop waiting and start learning. Not because success happens overnight. I know it, success don't happen overnight, but because your future deserves a chance. You deserve a soft life. You deserve a better life. Your children deserve better life and better opportunities. Your situation, your current situation today does not have to be your final destination. The background you come from, your foundation, your family background, notwithstanding, you want to take small consistent action, consistent step that can create that massive change over time. You do not have to move fast, but you must be intentional. You must be deliberate, because nobody accidentally walks out of poverty. It starts with one intentional decision. Who do you think can change your family status if not you? You know where you are. You don't like where you are. You don't like the situation of your family background. You can change it. You don't have to leave it the way you met it. You don't want it to pass on to your children or generation legacy after you. You want to embrace this business. It is a business that will change your life, transform your life. This business has changed my life in all ramifications. Since I signed into this business, I stopped seeing myself as just someone trying to survive. And I started seeing myself as someone capable of building something meaningful. Someone capable of helping people become better in every ramification, holistically. And when you begin to take consistent action, you change mentally before it changes you financially. It's all about mindsets. It taught me how to be patient. This business taught me discipline, resilience, and faith. And another most important thing I will not forget to add, small steps may look insignificant at the beginning, but over time, they create massive transformation. If you are someone who keeps postponing your dreams or your major decision in life, my advice is this: stop waiting for perfect time. Stop moping. Stop crying. Stop thinking that life is difficult. You just must take action. Irresponsible, that dream life of yours can become a reality. But if you keep on looking, opportunity will be passing you by. And you will leave this world the way you met it. And may that not be your portion. You want things to change so that your children will enjoy the same. You won't be doing it for yourself alone. You'll be doing it for your children, passing on a legacy of abundance, not just for them, for your grandchildren and generation to come. If this video has encouraged you in any way, I want you to like, I want you to comment. I am ready for more below so that I will contact you. Also, share this video so that someone who needs encouragement today, or who need a push, who need to be motivated before they take action, can see it and also watch it. And if you haven't subscribed, why not subscribe and become part of this growing community? And to all my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for sticking with me. And my name is Edna, your sister in faith and in purpose. I am here. I love to see people succeed. I want to help you to break free from poverty, things you can do to improve your financial status so that you too can extend a helping hand to the next person to you. And if you want to learn more about digital business and online income opportunities, you want to check the link in my description. Thank you for your time. See you in my next video. Bye.